So I'm taking a break from my kitchen, from doing some cooking and baking. So I went to the dollar store a few days ago and I picked up 2 boxes. So I want to do a project on these. I want to decoupage these boxes. I pick up as well a nice napkin for this. So stick around as I show you how I'm going to decorate these. The first thing I did is to paint the boxes using a sea green paint, acrylic paint, and let it dry, and then I will decoupage it afterwards. Alright, my boxes have already been dried, so we're ready to decoupage it. And I have here the napkin that I also pick up in dollar stores. So isn't it pretty? It's beautiful. That's why I call it the same background of the napkin. So using a mud Podge, we'll glue it. We'll glue the napkin to the bags, and also from time to time I use the cling wrap and cut it using a water and a brush. Okay. As well, we'll only be using the top layers of the napkin, so we have to remove the second layer of the napkin. Alright. To work first on the big box and decoupage the box and the cover, and then after I finish this box together with the cover, I'll work on the small box after, and I'll think how I'm going to decorate the other bags. Alright guys. Okay, so I finished the first big box, and yeah, I like the design that came out, even their lid. Now I'm going to think how I'm going to decorate the small box. Think. For the small box, I will start with the cover first, the lid, and then I'll work my way to the box. Okay. Okay, so now let's work on the bag. So I decided I'm not going to cover the whole bags. So I'm just gonna pick up the flowers and then glue it to the bags. And I'm not going to decoupage the bottom part of the bags as well, okay? Okay guys, I'm done with the project. As you can see, I decoupaged the two boxes. The big box is really beautiful and the other little one is so pretty as well. So I love how it turned out. The napkin that I pick up is really nice. So it's very pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this project, and don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. So I see you around on my next video. Take care everyone. Bye for now.